Welcome back children. Today in this video again we will continue with our chapter 8, that is what's on my plate. Now let's read this. From field to home. So the food that we eat, it is grown in a field. So now here we will see how it reach our home from field to home. The packed crops are sent to a wholesale market known as a mandi. They are carried from the farm to the mandi. So the packed crops are sent to the wholesale market, or we can say as mandi. They are carried from the farm to the mandi in carts, trucks, tractor or train. So the packed crops are carried to the wholesale market by carts, trucks, tractors or trains. All fruit sellers, vegetable sellers and grain merchants from towns and cities come to the mandi to buy food items in bulk at wholesale rate. So all the merchants, all the fruit seller, all the vegetable sellers, they go to the mandi. They go to the wholesale market to buy the food item, at a wholesale rate. They carry the food to their local area and sell them to the local shopkeepers and sellers. So they will carry all those wholesale market crops to their local area and sell it them to the local shopkeepers and to the sellers. We buy these food items from the sellers. This is how food reaches us from the fields. And we go out and buy all those food items from the seller. This is how food reaches us from the fields. So you see here, this is the market, a wholesale market, or we can say a mandi. Now let's see this food we eat. Some food items obtained from plants are grains, pulses, nuts, oilseeds, spices, fruits and vegetables. This can be used to cook different dishes. So the food that we eat are obtained from plants, and those are grains, pulses, nuts, oilseeds, spices, fruits and vegetables. And this food, it can be cooked into different dishes. Food grains. Food grains are the main food items for many people around the world. Some examples of food grains are rice, wheat, maize and oats. So, food grain, it is the main food items for many people around the world, and examples of these food grains are rice, wheat, maize and oats. Food grains are rich in carbohydrates. Rice and wheat are most commonly used grain. They are the staple diet of many people. Rice grows in wet and warm region and wheat grows in cold and moist region. Oats and cornflakes are used as breakfast cereals. So, food grains, they are very rich in carbohydrates, and rice and wheat are the most common used grain. And rice and wheat are also called as staple diet or staple food for many people. And rice grow in wet and warm region and wheat grow in cool and moist region. And oats and cornflakes are eaten as breakfast cereals. So you see, this is the food grains. Now we'll see pulses. Pulses are dried seed of many plants that are rich in proteins. They are bodybuilding foods. Some examples of pulses are arhar, mung, masoor, urad, rajma and chana. So pulses are dried seed of plants and they are rich in proteins. They are bodybuilding food. So some of the examples of pulses are arhar, mung, masoor, urad, rajma and chana. So you see, these are the pulses. Now we'll see fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are called protective foods. They are rich in vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. Some examples of vegetables are potato, onion, brinjal, cauliflower and spinach. And some examples of fruits are mango, guava, grapes and banana. All fruits and vegetables are not available throughout the year. Their availability varies from season to season. So, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and also other nutrients. So, some of the vegetables are potato, onion, brinjal, cauliflower, and spinach. And some of the fruits are mango, guava, grapes, and banana. So, all fruits and vegetables are not available throughout the year. We get some fruits during winter season, we get some fruits during summer season. So, their availability is varies from season to season. Now we'll see nuts. Nuts are rich in oil and minerals. Some examples of nuts are groundnuts, cashew, almonds, and walnuts. They are a good source of energy. So we also eat nuts, and nuts are rich in oils and minerals. And some of the examples are groundnuts, cashew, almonds, and walnuts. They are a good source of energy. Oilseeds. Oilseeds are seeds from which cooking oil is extracted. Oil is used for cooking food. Some varieties of oil are mustard, groundnut, sunflower, and sesame. So, oilseed. Oilseeds are the seeds from which the cooking oil is extracted. Oil is used for cooking food. Some varieties of oil are mustard. We get oil from mustard. We get oil from groundnut, from sunflower, and from sesame. Now we will see the last one, spices. When added to food, give it flavor and taste. So we added this spice, so that the food it give us flavor and taste. We get spices from different parts of a plant: flowers, fruit, seeds, leaves, barks, and roots. So we get these spices from different parts of a plant, from flowers, from fruits, seeds, leaves, barks, and also roots. Some examples of spices are bay leaf, tejpata, turmeric, ginger, clove, cardamom, elaichi, and black pepper, kali mirch. So we will stop here for today. We will meet in the next video.